Hello and welcome back to the workshop where we're taking a close look at our brand new laser cut kit for Norton Bridge Signalbox.
So Mike, tell us about Norton Bridge. Where is it?
Right, so the location is about 4 or 5 miles north of Stafford on the West Coast main line, and it's where the Crewe and Stoke-on-Trent lines separate, and this signalbox was built there to control movements through that junction.
It's quite a distinctive building, isn't it?
It certainly is a very distinctive building, actually. I think it's, again, a wonderful building, this. It was built in 1961. It was used for some trials of different type of Westinghouse interlocking equipment. It's then converted to standard relay equipment later on, and it stayed in service until 2004.
I can remember passing it on numerous occasions on cross-country services heading up to Manchester on my days when I used to commute up into the Manchester neck of the woods. And quite often you go through that platform past the signal box, and I'd always love just looking at that through the windows we're passing by.
It's a very nice design of signal box, very, I suppose, austere in some ways.
Yeah, I think it's that sort of brutalist look almost. It's just kind of, it looks like it's made for business.
That's right, definitely. And I love all the glazing around the top half of it as well, the full view inside the signal box as well. It's going to be a great kit for people to build, I think, for their layouts. So
talk us through the kit. It's a laser cut.
Yes, that's right. So this is the third of our laser cut kits that we've done. It uses a combination of laser cut plywood, laser cut MDF. There's also laser cut plastic sheet, and there's also an additional 3D printed part in this one as well, which is the little vent that sits above the main end doors at one end of the relay room in the signal box as well. Everything is, like I say, laser cut, so it all fits together really well, and it's a pleasure to build one of these.
How long has it taken you to put one together?
It's taken me about an hour and a half to actually build the whole structure. And then obviously I've got painting still to do on these as well, so painting will take a little bit more time.
Which we are looking forward to seeing.
Yes, looking forward to seeing my paintwork, are you? Yeah. So we will have a full guide showing how to build one of these and paint it as well coming up in the magazines.
It's also been designed though so that you can put an interior in if you wish.
That's right, so the whole thing is designed actually so you can, it's very much what I'd call a modular kit. So you can build the base, then you can build the signal box top section as well, and you can also, by the way it's been designed, you can actually leave those removable as well. So if you wanted to, say for example, you could leave the floor so it's removable, so that actually if you want to build the signal box, then paint it, then come back and then do interior lighting, for example, you can still disassemble the whole thing without it just disintegrating all the time. It all sits together very nicely. You can leave the roof so it's removable as well, so it gives you really nice access inside the building as well. And I should also probably let everyone into a little secret right now, which we have got an interior kit in development for this as well. So there will be an add-on kit to add to this in the coming weeks, we'll say. I'm not going to say exactly when just yet.
Now, you're something of an expert when it comes to building kits. So in terms of somebody watching this video right now, in terms of picking up the kit, putting it together, how straightforward is it to put together?
These are actually, they're very simple to put together. They're really designed very well. Like I say, the laser cutting means that, because they're CAD designed to create the artwork for the laser cutting in the first place, and the lasers are very, very accurate as well. So all the pieces really interlock really nicely where they lap around the corners. Just need a little bit of filling just down the brick courses down the corners just to really tidy them up if you want a really perfect finish on it. But in terms of actually a model of building these, they're a simple first kit to build. All you really need to build them is you need a craft knife to cut the parts out of the screws like you would with any plastic kit, for example. Then you need the right type of adhesive to put them together. You'll need a little sanding stick, and you'll need a little bit of patience with some of the finer details. Standard components.
So to the important question then, how much and availability?
Right, so these are available right now from keymodelworld.com/shop, and they are priced at £47.99 per kit, and that includes full postage and packaging as well, and they come in a secure, sturdy box to make sure they arrive safely at your door.
And of course we'll have a full build on this particular kit online at keymodelworld.com and in a future issue of Hornby magazine, so keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, thank you very much indeed for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bye for now.
Introducing Key Model World, your new online destination for everything railway and scale modelling. Featuring exclusive videos and features, unseen images, step-by-step guides, railway history and the latest news. Plus, it's home to our full layout build series.
I'm going to stop you right there though, because I didn't do this. This is all you're doing.
Join us for the latest content from Key Publishing's modelling titles, Hornby Magazine and Airfix Model World. Sign up today for as little as £3.75 per month, or if you're a magazine subscriber, bolt Key Model World onto your subscription package now. For more details, visit keymodelworld.com.